Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. Thanks so much for those ones that are just coming in contact with my channel today, and to my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you. Thanks for all the time you have spent watching my video. Okay, today I'll be putting on this soap. Of course, I've produced it and I've uploaded that, and today we'll be cutting it, and then you can see how much of the soap I got from that production. It's really profitable. Okay, I'll be using this our mold, our soap cutter that we made from our factory. Okay, so that's the mold I use in cutting it. You can see the soap is in a standard measurement, and then you can see how much of it that came out from it. And if you remember the production on this soap, there was no PKO in it. Yes, people talked about PQ that ladders well, but this my production here, it ladders so well, and yet there was no PKO in it. Yes, I know you can see that, you know that other oil can foam, but this one ladders so well, and you can see how much of it in pieces. You arrange after cutting it. Of course, you have to air your soap and allow it to cure. It will need 4 to 6 weeks to cure properly. Okay, so this is the mold, and this is the soap cake, and then this is the bars after I've cut it. Sorry about it, I did not know I did not record when I was cutting it. I switched off the camera unknowingly. Okay, all the same, this was how it is. I've arranged it back, and then you know the strings of the soap cutter is in 4 inches wide, so I push it in like that. Just be gentle about it. Okay, make sure you get a well balanced table to put the soap cutter. So I won't cut it into 4 inches bars, so I was able to get 3 because the size of the cutter or the mold is 12 inches by 12 inches and a half. Okay, so these are the 3 long bars I got. So what is the next thing we're going to do? You will change your cutter, your shrink cutter, into the other size we are going to cut, which is 2 inches. We are going to cut it. So I get these 3 long bars from it because of the measurement of the mold. This mold is just perfect. In other words, you hardly get much off cut. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it into 2 inches. Okay, the string has been changed, so the same thing, just push it in. Just to remind us of my ebook, you can see it placed on your screen there, and then you get so many recipes in it. And then of course I also discuss challenges, problems, questions that you might be having, and then the answers to them. Okay, and of course I have addresses of chemical vendors at your doorstep that you can reach easily. Okay, and then we talked about some terminologies there, and of course addresses of NAFDAC, especially for those in Nigeria. Okay, you can see now I've cut the 3 bars, and you can see how much I'm arranging them. I was able to get 18 bars of soap, standard bar soap, not short-listed, not short call. Okay, so you can see it. You can actually have profit in soap making, and of course, if you contact me, I will give you profitable recipes that when you get it, you'll be able to make profit in it. Okay, you'll be able to make recipe, and at the same time, the soap will do very well. You can compete your soap with the soap in the market. Okay, and very soon I'm going to discuss with us too on things that we should do before we go into soap production. Many of us are ignorant of this. You just hear people are making profit in soap, and so you think you should jump into it. All they say, we can see our soap cutter doing the work very well, and I keep arranging and arranging because I got it very well. It's giving me profitable recipe. Okay, so if you can join our online class, reach me on the number written on your screen so that you can be added to the class. Okay, look at it, so beautiful. You know, you should space your soap so that it can cure properly. And then look at it, I was able to get some off cut. These are the only off cut I got from the old soap, you can see. So the soap is just perfect for your cuts. So this is off cut. I did not allow it to waste. I removed it, I melted it, removed it. Thanks so much. See you next in my next video. Bye.